back with another clean with me, tackling the living room. I need to vacuum, mop, spot clean the sofa, bar stools. Also need to clean out the Dyson as well. So if you have a task around your house that you need to complete to get clean, go ahead and clean with me and we'll clean together. Let's jump into it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new here, my name is Brittany. I do homemaking, lifestyle, motherhood here on this channel. So if you are interested in that sort of content, hit the subscribe button below and let's jump into this video. My baby is out with his dad right now, so this would be the perfect time to get things situated in here. If you notice, I was riding in my Jeep this morning. I had my sunglasses on all morning, so that's why those imprints are still there. Let's go ahead and get started. I have this microfiber couch, and as you can see, little stains like this get onto the couch just from my baby playing around on it. I really want to get a new couch, but I just don't see the point. With my baby being as young as he is, and spills and things like that are going to happen, I figure I might as well keep this couch. It's not my dream couch, obviously, but it is my first couch that I ever purchased myself, and I actually do like it. It's a very comfortable couch. So I'm gonna take this Windex here. I learned this trick on YouTube, actually. Never knew how to take care of microfiber until I saw a video saying to use Windex and a microfiber towel. I tried it once, it worked beautifully. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now so that it'll have time to dry. And if you guys notice, I did get a pumpkin pillow that I added to my fall decor on the couch. Also added this sweater pillow. I cannot remember where I got this sweater pillow. I know that I got the pumpkin at TJ Maxx though, and this one was actually broken. It was the last one. When I first went there, they had like 5 of them, but I didn't get it. And then I decided that I did really want it, so I went back and got it. This was the last one left, and it was broken. And I knew some E6000 could fix it, so I just asked them to give me a discount, which they did. And I put some E6000 on the bottom. Nice as new, you can't even tell. The sweater pillow, I've been wanting to get one of those, and I feel like it just goes in perfect with the whole fall theme. Here's another spot that I need to clean, so I'm gonna go ahead and get cleaning this couch.
Where do we go from? Where do we go from here? No one can save us from keeping clear. I don't wanna lose you, I don't wanna lose you now. 'Cause there is only one thing on my mind. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave before you turn around and walk away. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave. I can do my own thing. I can do my own thing.
I cannot believe how dirty this chair is. It's clearly been neglected. It definitely needs a wipe down. I don't even know how I'm gonna get this stuff off. Normally I clean it more often, so it's not this hard to get off. Normally I use like Clorox wipes, but I'm trying to conserve. But I am gonna use some disinfectant spray and 1 or 2 Clorox wipes.
Losing track of time, losing track of myself. promises to get into your head. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave before you turn.
So this was a situation when I looked at my Dyson. There's some kind of food particle in there that is disgusting. So I'm gonna take this thing apart and clean it. I'm not gonna clean the filter because I literally just cleaned the filter like last week, but I am gonna clean the tank so that I can vacuum.
I don't need no one to say you're complicated, 'cause I knew from the start this might be overrated. It's so typical, you wanna give you one more try, even though if your mind is telling you it's all a lie.
As you can see, the handheld part of my Dyson has some crud and dust and things inside of there as well. I'm thinking about using one of those pressurized dust containers to remove the outside parts of it, but I'm trying to figure out how to clean the inside, and I don't want to damage it because this is actually the mechanical electrical part of the Dyson. So if you have any tips, please drop them in the comments below. You'll begin to see that I was struggling trying to get up some oatmeal that I think my son dropped on the floor. This is like leftover that was stuck on, so I'm gonna have to get something to get it off the floor without scratching the floor, because I already have enough scratches in my floor that you might see, so I'm gonna try to avoid that. So I had to take a break and fill up the Shark again, and I got this from Walmart, and I started with it about half full. It would have gotten me through the whole room if I'd have filled it up before I started. There's still that spot that's drying over there, but everything's looking good. The floors, the spots that we saw earlier are completely gone. They look so much better.
I told you every single time, don't you worry. You would always call me at the wrong time, so you can know what I was up to. Oh, don't you get that? It's just stupid.
So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that it motivated you to get your spaces clean. If it did, give it a big thumbs up. Again, if you are new here, hit the subscribe button below and join the Brittany fam, because I would love to have you. And I'm gonna leave some videos on the screen here of more homemaking content that you can enjoy, and I hope to see you in the next video. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful.